What's up, dudes? Here's what I'm doing tonight. Ooh, yeah. I'm meeting some friends out at a local pizza place called Pizza Luce, and we're gonna have some pizza and a free appetizer. I got a coupon. Stay tuned. Here's Pizza Luce in Richfield, Minnesota.
They have like slices, right? You can get one slice.
Oh, I might do that too. Ooh, so many choices. I love it.
I know.
That's what I want.
So Michelle texted me today. She says she's working.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Bummer.
And here's my other dilemma.
What's up, dudes? Just got back from going out with some friends. I got real lucky. I have a close group of girlfriends that I have known for about 20 years. One, 25 years. And then our other friend who lives in Hawaii, I've known her since I was in kindergarten. And so all of us get together and hang out, go out to lunch, go out to dinner, happy hour, whatever it is. Every now and then try to stay connected, and I just got to do that today. Cool group of people. Zach, you just dropped out right on my lap, above and beyond. If you resonate with the name Zach, here's what Spirit wants to show you. If you resonate with Zach, message for Zach. Gossip, news, scandal, meddling, distraction, chit-chat, and small talk. And my necklace kept going like this. A peacock might mean something. All right, next message. Who's the next message? Okay, here, get another one. If you resonate with Zach, here's your message from the archangels. What's the message for Zach? Message for Zach. Patience, Archangel Jophiel. Your dreams are blooming more rapidly than you realize. Still, they need nurturing and patience. Excuse the nails. I got dirt on them after we were at Pizza Luce. That's a pizza place, kind of a iconic pizza place in the Twin Cities, if you're not from the Twin Cities. And my friends came back with me to my house to check out my garden, and I was passing out tomato plants, and I have dirt in my fingernails now. Claircognizance, Archangel Uriel. Pay attention to thoughts and ideas that come to you, as they are answered prayers. Career transition, Archangel Chamuel. Your life purpose is triggering a blessed career change. All right, there's your message, Zach. Next, who's next? Who's next? You're next. Lance. If you resonate with Lance, here's your message. Message for Lance. What's the message for Lance? Cosmic Wheel. New course of events brought on by the divine. This is the Wheel of Fortune, darling. Some good energy is coming your way. New course of events brought on by the divine. All right, well, let's see. What do the archangels have to tell you? Message for Lance, if you resonate with the name Lance. Okay, you have two distinct messages. Overcoming difficulties. Archangel Jeremiel. The worst is now behind you, and you are surmounting any previous challenges. Brilliant idea. Archangel Uriel. Yes, your idea is divinely guided. Please take action to bring your idea to fruition. All right, there's your message. Next. Who's next? You're next, dear. Some sunglasses might mean something. Ooh, right when I said that. Katie. If you resonate with the name Katie, here's your message. Message for Katie. What's the message for Katie? It's so windy. The wind blew and change. Illumination. Illumination, idea, understanding, realization, judgment, recognition, intimacy, relationship. Jazz music might mean something. All right, let's hear more. What's the message for Katie? Ooh. Comfort, Archangel Azrael. I am with you in your time of need, helping your heart to heal. All right, there's your message. Next. Who's next? Sims. If you recognize, I hear you recognize the Walter. Oh, you recognize the Walter. Something like that. Sims. If you resonate with the name Sims, here's your message. Author. Author. Communication, expressing feelings, hobbies, getting the message across. What's the message from the archangels if you resonate with Sims? Sims. Prosperity. Archangel Ariel. Your material needs are provided as you follow your intuition and manifest your dreams into reality. And it kind of did like this interesting swoop on the other deck. And I look at this top card and look at what it is. Full cup. Satisfied, fulfilled, happy, compensated, requited. All right, there's the message. Next. My dog's back to digging in the carpet. Next. Crystal. If you resonate with Crystal, here's your message. Message for Crystal? What's the message? Okay. We have isolation, confinement, detachment, desolation, loneliness, distancing, and blindness. Somebody might be in treatment. This might be a message about treatment or somebody with a serious addiction, maybe to meth, something like that. All right. Here's what Spirit's showing. Seamstress, coming together, join, unite, interconnected, marry, mutually dependent. Okay. Here's what Spirit is showing. So the message I'm getting is, this is the end of a karmic relationship for a couple. The one person is destined to go to Healdville, and the other person is staying in Grossville. And Spirit is pulling apart these people like a piece of Velcro. This karmic contract is over, and these two have learned everything they can learn from each other. So what Spirit is showing is fire starter with albatross. So this can be a serious addiction, a trickster, somebody back at treatment again, that kind of thing. Fire starter, flare up, troublemaker, agitator, mischief maker, rascal, sexy. With albatross, psychological burden, curse, penance, omen of good or bad luck. This person might be like coming back around or trying to come back around, something like that. Spirit says, don't let that person back around. If this is a narcissist, they might be coming back around for a Hoover. Don't let that person come back around. You have this brand new thing in Heyoka. So what Spirit is showing is travel in reverse. Explorations, new changes, new opportunities, and meeting new people. So this is somebody who stays clean, and Spirit is bringing them to Healdville, where there's a whole group of super cool people that are part of their soul family. There's somebody from Grossville that is trying to stay attached to this person, and they are becoming an energy vampire. Spirit says, don't take that person. Don't go with that person. Don't do it. It ends. Spirit's showing the burden bear, weighted down, responsibility, blame, guilt, or fault. This may be somebody who doesn't deserve the job they have, a pity job, somebody who might show up to work all fucked up, but they've been doing it forever. They're part of the family or whatever. You know, no, they're not really part of the family though. So Spirit is saying, whatever this message is, there's somebody who's feeling responsible in giving somebody a pity job, but that person is showing fucked up to work, fucking things up, fucking up whatever, taking advantage. So what Spirit, the advice Spirit is saying is Swamp Frog. Swamp Frog is cleansing, purifying, rebirth, renewal, new beginnings, truth. There is a new thing in Healdville that's so much better than this bullshit. All right. What's the message from the archangels? Gentleness. Archangel Sandalphon. Be very gentle with yourself at this time. Surround yourself with gentle people, situations, and environments. All right. And if you've had an awakening, or if you're in a dark night, if you've just had your emotions turned on, if you find yourself like just randomly weeping and shit, and you're like, what in the fuck is happening? Like all these emotions are flooding me. That's a very fragile time in your awakening, and you just have to imagine yourself as a little seedling. You got reset to a 0, and you're a little seedling that just popped through the dirt, and you're very fragile in like your psyche, in your emotions, especially if you've had narcissist abuse. So it's very important you surround yourself around very empathetic, gentle people, kind people from Healdville. None of this bullshit. So you have to think of yourself as right now, there are parts in your awakening where you are a tiny little fragile thing, and you have to do self-care, and it's okay to take care of yourself. It's okay to start anew. And if you are the head of a business or something like that, and you've got employees that are showing up fucked up to work, that kind of thing, here's what we all have to remember. It is possible to work with friends if you understand chain of command. And when work happens, you have to follow chain of command. And then none of those hard discussions or resentful feelings may come about. But it's when you ignore the chain of command and egos start getting into it, and then people start fucking around, drinking, getting fucked up. If that whole work thing goes down, the boss loses everything, but that employee just goes and gets another job. So if that employee can't follow the chain of command and not show up fucked up at a work event, yeah, they don't deserve that job. There's a long line of people with a higher vibration that will bring in more abundance, the person that deserves that job. All right? So that's the message when it comes to crystal. All right, however you take that. All right, end of that message. Next. Ready? Who's next? Sarah. If you resonate with Sarah, here's your message. Message for Sarah. We have opposites. Opposites, antithesis, contradiction, opposition, inconsistency, disagreement. And it's also this, opposites attract. All right. What's the message from the archangels? Prioritize. Archangel Metatron. Focus on your highest priorities. I will help you get organized and motivated. You mean to tell me? You mean to tell me you gave me the best steak sauce recipe in the middle of the Civil War? What am I supposed to do? Prioritize. The war is over, but A1 steak sauce is on every grocery store across America and even all over the world. Spirit's advice has always been prioritize. There's the message. No, you're really fucking busy. Yeah. Guess what? The war's over. But we all can taste that sauce right now in our mouth.